There's something timeless about vintage British sports cars. Their lightweight bodies, elegant lines, and pure driving feel make them icons in automotive history. The MGA, introduced in the mid-1950s, has long been considered one of the most charming examples. But while the design was undeniably beautiful, the performance often left drivers wanting more. That's where the magic of restomods comes in, and few builds capture the spirit of modern meets classic better than this Duratec-swapped MGA from Frontline Cars. Frontline Cars, based in Abingdon-on-Thames in Oxfordshire, UK, has earned a reputation for breathing new life into old MGs. They specialize in upgrading these classics with modern powertrains, interiors, and suspension systems, making them far more usable and reliable without sacrificing their soul. Their latest project takes the MGA's stunning 1950s aesthetics and injects it with performance that rivals modern sports cars. The original MGA came equipped with a B-series four-cylinder engine that rarely made more than 80 horsepower. Even the twin-cam version managed only around 110 horsepower. While that was enough for its time, today it feels underwhelming. Frontline Cars decided to swap in a 2-liter Ford Duratec engine, the same power plant once found in the Ford Focus. The result is a staggering 225 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, nearly 3 times the output of the original motor. That power is sent through a slick 5-speed manual transmission borrowed from Mazda, most likely the MX-5 Miata, which is fitting given its reputation as a pure driver's car. The upgrades don't stop there. The MGA now rides on a thoroughly modern chassis setup with a 5-link rear suspension and double wishbones up front. Braking power comes courtesy of vented discs with 2-piston calipers at the front and 4-piston calipers at the rear. All these changes transform the MGA into a true performance machine. The once leisurely roadster that originally needed around 15 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour can now sprint from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That puts it ahead of the modern Mazda MX-5 and makes it one of the quickest restomods in its class. Yet it retains the playful, lightweight handling that made MGAs beloved in the first place. Visually, the MGA remains faithful to its heritage. Its ponton styling, inspired by aerodynamic race cars of the early 1950s, looks just as graceful today as it did nearly 70 years ago. But step inside, and you'll notice the transformation. The cabin is a blend of luxury and craftsmanship, with every surface finished in supple leather, polished metal, or rich wood. The detail extends even to the door panels, creating an atmosphere that feels more like a bespoke grand tourer than a stripped-down roadster. This marriage of old-world charm and modern performance is what makes restomods so appealing. While many shops turn to common engine swaps like GM's LS V8s or Ford's Coyote V8s, Frontline Cars takes a more unique approach. By pairing the MGA's lightweight frame with a high-revving, reliable 4-cylinder, they've created a build that emphasizes balance, agility, and driver connection over brute force. It's also a reminder of how much history the MGA carries. This car wasn't just popular in Britain and Europe, it also had an impressive racing career in the United States. It competed in SCCA events and even NASCAR's Grand National Series, marking one of the few times a British car entered stock car racing. That blend of style and racing credibility makes the MGA an ideal candidate for a restomod. At the end of the day, this Duratec-swapped MGA is more than just an old car with a new engine. It's proof that classics don't need massive power to be thrilling, just the right balance of engineering and creativity. Frontline Cars has shown that by respecting the essence of the MGA while upgrading its weak points, they can deliver a car that's not only beautiful, but exhilarating to drive. For enthusiasts tired of predictable V8 swaps, this build is a refreshing reminder that the best restomods are the ones that surprise you. It's an oddball combination, yes, but one that works brilliantly. If more builds followed this formula, less power, more thrills, the classic car world would all be the richer for it.